Recipe number 1 on the Stihl 500i fuel injected chainsaw. Got my tack now, so now I do see that it is electronically rev limited. Makes it go bonkers when it's bouncing off the limiter. Same bar, same chain. Previous time was 114, 115, depending on when you think it hit the wood. Time to beat is about 58 seconds with a 7310. I don't think we're going to have any trouble beating 114, 115. So I'll let you listen to her and then we'll try to make a clean cut. Try to move my tack around a little bit, make another cut. I lost signal on that one, so I have no idea what it was running in the wood. Rotate this a little bit. Fast 2. Felt really good. Pretty smooth. Holding the same RPMs in the cut than the 7310 does. When I dog it in, it drops to about 11,160, and she wants to cruise at about 12.5. So you'll see the times when I see them. Thanks for watching.